Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Daisy Apparel. So this is a continuation of my Dorm and Thread series, which if you've been following along, you'll know that soon I'm going to be going to college, so I'm trying to make some DIYs for my dorm, which today is going to be a bit more practical DIYs, because I'm going to be customizing some towels and also oven mitts for my dorm room. So I will not have an actual kitchen in my dorm room, but I will have a crock pot, a microwave, a coffee machine, and a few other appliances. That way I can make a few kind of meals or snacks or whatever in my dorm room. And for that, I think I'll definitely need some towels and rads and an oven mitt, just in general. But I thought it'd be really cute if I customize these. So I went to Target and I was able to find some white towels that I thought would work nicely for my dorm. And I also went to the Dollar Tree and found these little dark blue rads for my dorm and a dark blue oven mitt. I'm just going to be using some 100% cotton fabric that I have in my stash that I think works really nicely with the color scheme that I have in my dorm room. But this is a really nice make because it's very customizable and easy. And make a cute gift for someone or just for your own space to personalize it and make it your own. I'm excited to show you how to make these, so let's get started. Here are the white kitchen towels I bought at Target. Then this white tiered cart is going to be the cart where I hold most of my kitchen items. So I'm just marking with a pin where I'd like the towel to hang on the little hook. Then I'm going to fold this cotton fabric into a bias tape type thing, which I didn't cut it on the bias, but it's the same concept where I'm folding it in half. Then also the two sides inward, then in half again. Now I'm going to sew the fabric tape together just on either side of it. Once it's all sewn, I'm going to cut it into little strips, and then from there I'm going to pin the strips onto the towels where I'd like them to hang. Now I'm just going to sew each of the fabric strips in place. Then on the corners of each of the rads, I just attached a little fabric loop to help them hang. And again, I'm just going to sew that in place. I bought this oven mitt at the Dollar Tree and I'm just going to seam rip the current binding off of it. Once the binding's all taken off, I'm just going to attach my fake bias tape to the top of the oven mitt, and I'm going to pin it in place as I go along. Then I also attached this fabric loop to use as a handle for the oven mitt. Now I've just sewn the fabric in place and the oven mitt is complete and all cute and customized. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed the process of watching me customize these towels and oven mitts for my dorm. I think they turned out so cute, and I really love how they're practical and they can hang on the little hooks I have. Because I think even just in general, like in the kitchen in my house now, our towels don't have little hanging pieces on them, which makes it difficult for them to stay organized. So these would both be practical and very useful. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and stay tuned for an upcoming video where I actually will be moving in and decorating my dorm room, along with other DIY and crafting content that I make. Thank you so much for following along with me today, and I hope I'll see you in next week's video. Bye!